In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the cache in CapCut without deleting your projects. If CapCut has been feeling a bit sluggish, previews are lagging, or you're running low on storage, clearing the cache is a quick and safe way to freshen things up without touching your edits. Think of the cache as temporary files CapCut creates to speed up your workflow, like thumbnails, previews, and leftover data from exports. It's helpful in the moment, but over time it can pile up and take space. Clearing it removes those temporary bits while keeping all your project's media and settings intact. Let's walk through it together. First, open the CapCut app on your device. You'll land on the home screen where you can see your recent projects. From here, look to the top right corner for the settings icon, the little gear. Go ahead and tap that. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry, the gear icon is still the shortcut you need to reach CapCut settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down through the options. You're looking for the one labeled Clear Cache. This is the specific control for deleting temporary files stored by the app, not your actual project files or media. When you find Clear Cache, tap it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to proceed. Tap OK or Confirm to continue. You should see a quick progress indicator and then it's done. That's all there is to it. The temporary files have been removed, which helps free up storage and can resolve small hiccups like stutters in playback or delays when switching between clips. And just to reassure you one more time, this process does not delete your projects. When you head back to your home screen, your edits will still be there exactly as you left them, ready to open and continue. A few helpful notes as you use this feature. Clearing the cache is safe to do periodically, especially after you've finished large edits or exports. If you notice that previews need to rebuild after clearing cache, that's normal. CapCut will regenerate what it needs as you work. Also, if you're in the middle of an export, let it finish before you clear the cache to avoid interrupting any background processing. And if you're trying to free up even more space, remember that cache is only temporary data. Your biggest gains often come from removing unused media in your device's gallery, not from within CapCut. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective. Open CapCut, tap the settings gear, scroll down, choose Clear Cache, and confirm. Enjoy the extra breathing room and smoother performance.